Struggling to get on page number 1 of Google? Google and other search engines won't automatically index your site, making it easy to find. You need to get on their radar. SEO can help. SEO doesn't have to be complicated. It's a matter of learning a few simple strategies and applying them consistently. Need a proven way to drive more traffic to your site and get dramatic results. Optimizing your content with targeted keywords helps you find your ideal site visitor and potential customers. The words they search for will lead them right to your content. Google is where 92% of web searches take place. The first page only has 10 spots available. Will you be one of them? If you can get into one of these 10 spots, you'll see a huge increase in traffic to your site. I know because I've seen the results myself. What are the most common SEO mistakes for small businesses? Going in without a plan, thinking SEO is free or cheap, shying away from technical SEO, cutting corners with SEO hacks, building unnatural links, sending more traffic to a poor website, expecting to rank at the top of page 1. Imagine how your life will be once you start getting organic traffic for your business website. As a new online business owner, when you apply simple and proven SEO strategies, you can get your website to rank number 1 on the search engine. As a small business owner, you know this. You know the value of improving search engine rank. You know that optimizing pages with relevant keyword phrases will increase visitors to your site. You also know that there's only one of you and that your marketing budget is limited. That's why I've created SEO for small online business owners, so you can apply simple, easy-to-use strategies and improve your website's SEO on your own affordably. Increased online visibility. Customers who take an SEO Masterclass can improve their online visibility. This means that their websites or online content are more likely to appear in search engine results, making it easier for people to find their businesses or information online. Cost savings. Learning SEO through a masterclass can help customers reduce their reliance on costly digital advertising. This leads to significant cost savings over time, as they can attract organic traffic without the ongoing expenses of paid advertising campaigns. Enhanced website user experience. SEO techniques often involve improving website structure, content quality, and load time. Customers who implement these improvements based on their masterclass knowledge create a better user experience for their website visitors, leading to higher customer satisfaction and engagement. Increased website traffic. Implementing SEO strategies taught in a masterclass can result in higher website traffic. Customers benefit from more visitors to their site, which can translate into more lead sales and revenue. Business growth. Ultimately, the goal of SEO is to help businesses grow. Customers who apply the principles learned in an SEO masterclass can expand their reach, attract new customers, and increase their market share, contributing to the overall growth and success of their businesses. Invest in yourself today and reap these tangible, life-changing benefits. SEO Masterclass e-course can have a positive impact on our lives by improving their online visibility, reducing marketing costs, enhancing the user experience on their websites, increasing website traffic, and driving business growth.